Real talk, mommers. You just survived TSA, gate-checked your heavy strollers, and settled into your seat to finally kick off your much-needed vacation. You pumped those precious ounces at cruising altitude, but now you're staring down the ultimate boss level of breastfeeding travel. The airplane bathroom. The idea of washing your expensive pump parts in that tiny, questionable space is enough to make anyone panic. But you do not have to stress, and you certainly do not have to compromise on hygiene. Today, we are going to spill the tea on exactly how to sanitize your breast pump parts in an airplane lavatory, keeping things spotless, safe, and totally stress-free. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your premier destination for navigating motherhood, luxury travel, and high-end baby gear. We believe that keeping up your pumping schedule while flying thousands of miles should never mean sacrificing your peace of mind or your aesthetic. Grab a sparkling water and let us get into the ultimate mile-high pumping strategy, because we are turning the most daunting part of travel into an absolute breeze. The first step to airplane bathroom success actually happens before you board, and it is all about curating your wash kit. You want to keep this completely separate from the diapers and wipes in your main tote. Invest in a dedicated, high-quality wet bag. A sleek designer waterproof pouch looks amazing and keeps everything perfectly contained. Inside, you need 3 essentials: breast pump cleansing wipes, a travel-sized bottle of baby-safe dish spray, and a completely clean microfiber towel. Do not rely on the paper towels in the lavatory because they are rough on silicone and harbor dust. Having a curated, bougie wash kit in your carry-on is an absolute game-changer. It is always worth spending a few extra bucks to have the exact right gear so you are never left scrambling. Now, let us talk about the actual cleaning process inside that tiny bathroom. Here is the golden rule you must never break. Do not ever use the airplane sink water to rinse your pump parts. That water is not potable and it is definitely not safe for your baby's delicate system. Instead, ask the flight attendant for a large cup of bottled water before you head to the lavatory. Use that bottled water to do a quick rinse over the sink, making sure your pump parts never actually touch the basin. Next, hit the flanges and valves with your pump wipes. These wipes are incredibly effective at breaking down milk fat when you do not have access to a sink full of hot, soapy water. Finally, we have to talk about drying and storing, because tossing wet parts back into a dark bag is a major mistake. Once you have wiped everything down, lay your clean microfiber cloth across your lap, never directly on the counter. Give everything a thorough pat down. If your parts are still slightly damp, store them in a breathable mesh bag so they can air out while you relax in your seat. When you finally reach your resort, you can do a proper hot water soak. But for the flight, this touchless method keeps everything impeccably clean. Pumping in the sky really does not have to be a nightmare. With a little prep and the right luxury gear, you can conquer any flight. If you loved these hacks, hit that subscribe button right now to join our community. Give this video a thumbs up if you have ever pumped on a plane, and drop a comment below with your absolute favorite travel gear. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mommers.